train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 15:01 Hull Trains Paragon service to London St Pancras. Calling it London St Pancras only. This train has 5 coaches. First class accommodation is available on the train.
Please mind the step when boarding this train, and be aware this platform does not have tactile paving at the edge.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 14:55 LNER Azuma service to St Neots via Peterborough. Calling it Newark Northgate, Grantham, Peterborough and St Neots. This train has 10 coaches. First class accommodation is available on the train.
Please mind the step when boarding this train, and be aware this platform does not have tactile paving at the edge.